Hello everyone, myself Dr. Sriparna Shaha, and on my YouTube channel currently we are talking about how to get started with Python. In the earlier videos we have talked about how to assign variables, and if there are two variables, one has been assigned a string and one has been assigned an integer, then does the concatenation is possible between those two or not? You can check those videos to get the better idea. Today we are going to talk about type conversions. So for that we are going to do that in the Python program as well. Earlier the videos we have used Atom software to run the codes, but currently we will be writing the code in the Python. So I have opened the Python software. Okay, so the Python has been opened. Suppose I have given one variable that x is equal to 6. So this thing is there, right? Now suppose another variable is y is equal to 6.7, right? Now I am going to take another variable, suppose z is equal to x plus y. So now I need to print the z variable. So check what are the result has been obtained in the z. See that the z result is in the float. Why? First just check what is the value has been assigned or what type of value has been assigned in the x variable. So the x variable value is 6. So the type is integer. Same thing I am doing for y variable, and the value that has been assigned in the y variable is 6.7. So the type should be a float. Just check whether it is coming or not. Float. So that is the addition between integer and float is possible, but the result we are going to get in the floating point. One is in the integer and one is in the floating, but the addition of an integer and a floating point will be in the result of a floating value. Okay. Now just assume that I want the result in the integer value. So what I can do, one way of achieving is that y is equal to, suppose another variable y1 is equal to int of y, right? Just check what I am getting within the variable y1. So within the variable the value I am getting as 6. So if I pass a floating value, that is the int y, so what is the variable over here is this y value is 6.7. so that 6.7 has been passed through this int function, then the result is in the integer value as well. So the floating point, that is a float type, has been converted into the int type, and the result I am getting is the 6. Okay. Now if I just I want to suppose change this 6 value, that is the integer type, to the float. How I can do it? That is the x1 is equal to float, and within bracket I am giving suppose x. So now I need to print x1. So now just see that is the x1 variable has the floating value of 6.0. Okay. Another thing you can do, that is here, that is x is equal to z is equal to x plus y. Suppose same thing I am writing over here is that x that is z is equal to int, within bracket int I am passing x plus y. Okay, now I am printing z. See, the result is now in the integer value, as I have given this int function over here. So that is the int of, that is the addition. Within the integer function I am passing the addition thing, that is the addition of an integer and a float point, but the result will be in the integer. So that is the integer value. Okay, now just check the type of z. So type of z is integer. Now the x1 value, that x1 value result is 6.0. Now just check the type of x1 is the float. So this is how you can do type conversion using Python. Another thing, just check, suppose C is another variable I am taking, and within that I will be passing a string. Suppose the string is hello, right? So now I am doing type C. So type is string str. Now just try that C1 is equal to int C. So yeah, so you cannot convert a string to a integer. So that is the error is there. That is the invalid error. That is the int is there with base 10. That is this string. That is the input. That is C is a string, and you are trying to convert a string to the integer. So there is a error has been obtained over here. So type conversion is not possible in this particular scenario. So I hope you have enjoyed today's video and happy studying.